Ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition ay nagsama-sama ng isang masiglang grupo ng mga umuusbong na bituin, influencers, mga awit at aktor sa iisang bubong. Bawat isa ay may kanya-kanyang kwento at taga-suporta. Habang sinusubok ng palabas ang kanilang tibay, kakayahang makipagtulungan at pagiging totoo, nagsilbi rin itong tulay para sa marami sa kanila upang maabot ang mas malawak na audience, lalo na sa social media. Instagram, in particular, became a key measure of their growing popularity. Sa hanay ng mga housemates, si Vince Maristella, ang charming bro next door ng Kainta, ang may pinakamababang bilang ng followers na umabot ng 178,000. His quiet and humble personality captured hearts, especially during emotionally charged moments. Josh Ford, ang survivor lad ng United Kingdom, came next with 201,000 followers. Kilalang-kilala sa kanyang magaan na sense of humor at relaxed na personalidad. Nakabuo siya ng matitibay na pagkakaibigan sa loob ng bahay. With 206,000 followers, AZ Martinez, ang Miss Sunuring daughter ng Cebu, stood out for his calm demeanor and talents in modeling and acting. Ralph De Leon, ang dutiful judo son ng Cavite, reached 249,000 followers. Ang kanyang pagiging maalaga at pagkakaroon ng tibay ng loob na humarap sa iba't ibang hamon ay mga katangiang dapat ipagmalaki. Dustin Yu, ang chinito boss sikap ng Quezon City, gained 333,000 followers thanks to his high energy, leadership, and infectious optimism. Charlie Fleming, the youngest housemate and dubbed as ang bubbly bread thinner ng Cagayan de Oro, earned 381,000 followers. Ang kanyang lakas ng loob para gawin ang mga task ay nagbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Michael Sager, ang diligent wonder son ng Marinduque, garnered 419,000 followers. Humakot siya ng paghanga dahil sa kanyang kumpiyansa at palagiang pagsusumikap sa mga hamon sa loob ng PBB House. With 449,000 followers, Bianca de Vera, ang sassy unika iha ng Taguig, showed her assertiveness and glam style while gradually opening up to housemates. River Joseph, ang sporty business bro ng Muntinlupa, gained 456,000 followers by being thoughtful, supportive, and always a team player. Clarice Di Guzman, ang Kuwela Soul Diva ng Antipolo, followed with 461,000. Ang kanyang powerful voice at pagiging simple ay labis na tumatak sa puso ng mga manunood. Siya din ang nagsilbing ate at kalaunan ay tinaguriang ina or mom ng mga housemates. Emilio Daes, Mr. Bankable Achiever ng Pasig, amassed 588,000 followers. His dedication in task and gentlemanly charm drew admiration from both housemates and fans. Will Ashley, ang Mama's Dream Bay ng Cavite, reached 772,000 followers. Ang kanyang simpleng karisma at mga makabuluhang pananaw ang dahilan kung bakit siya'y madaling mahalin at hangaan. Ashley Ortega, ang independent Tease Eyes Princess ng San Juan, had 781,000 followers. Her quiet elegance and strength shone especially in emotionally difficult moments. Isa sa mga pinakakapansin-pansing pag-angat sa social media ay nagmula kay Shuvi Etrata, ang island ate ng Cebu, na ngayon ay may 1 million followers na. Shuvi gained the most followers after the show, with an increase of over 800,000 since entering the PBB house. Patunay kung paano tumagos sa puso ng publiko ang kanyang humor, katapatan at pagiging totoo. Brent Manalo, ang gentle-linong heartthrob ng Tarlac, garnered 1.2 million followers. His dramatic growth and emotional vulnerability made him more commendable. Cyril Manabat, ang golden anactress ng Rizal, had 1.4 million followers. Known for her maturity and eloquence, she proved she was much more than her child star image. Esnir Ranullo, ang sensational viral beshi ng Davao del Sur, hit 1.5 million followers. His online wit and relatability translated effortlessly into the PBB environment. Kira Ballinger, ang hopeful belle ng Cavite, followed with 1.6 million. A beautiful person inside and out, that's why she is loved by her fans. Mika Salamanca, ang controversial ka-babe-len ng Pampanga, maintained her social media dominance with 3.3 million followers. Patuloy na lumago ang kanyang malaking fan base nang ipakita niya ang pagiging mapagpakumbaba sa loob ng bahay at handang magsakripisyo para sa ibang housemates. Leading the entire group is AC Bonifacio, ang dedicated showstopper ng Canada, with a staggering 4.4 million followers, a total performer with poise and integrity. Siya ay nagpakita ng galing at tapang sa loob ng PBB house at ipinamalas niya ang kanyang husay sa sayaw at pagiging matatag sa bawat hamon. The 2025 Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition is not just a televised reality show. It became a platform for these housemates to redefine their public image, show their true selves, and connect with millions of fans. Among all, Shuvi Etrata's meteoric rise in follower count serves as proof that authenticity and heart resonate deeply in today's digital world. Whether already famous or new to the spotlight, each housemate has a stronger fan base and a powerful platform to influence and inspire. Thank you for watching! For more news on the go, please check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Spread the love from your Chika Hanan family.